Hi there, have you already watched my experiment on growing a $100 deposit? Well, today I have another amazing strategy, but this time we will start with just $50, so let's get started. Alright guys, opening a trade for an up position and moving all the remaining funds into the safe account to clearly show how effective this strategy is, and $49,834 sent straight to the safe account. And now our $50 will soon turn into $96. It's crucial to open trades for exactly 2 minutes with this strategy because the indicator settings are tailored for this time frame. Use the S30 time frame, and indicator settings are standard. So I will explain how it works on the next video. And just look how confidently this trade closes in profit. So $96 is now in the balance. Here's the second trade, opening a down position. What's the essence of this strategy? Our pair CHF GPY S30. Let's break it down. The envelopes indicator consists of a middle line, an upper boundary, and a lower boundary. A candle breaking below the lower boundary gives us our signal. So now for MACD, the red line is above the green one and both are moving down. The histogram bars around the zero line are also showing a downward trend. So all this makes for a perfect sell signal, and my forecast sees price decline. The trade isn't going as smoothly as I hoped, but no panic yet. And I just realized I opened this trade with $50 instead of $96, but that's fine. The key is consistency and a series of successful trades. And yes, good profit. So now I'm putting all $142 on another sell position. Done. The price decline should continue, supported not only by this strategy but also by classic technical analysis. Yeah, once again, the same signals from the strategy, envelopes and MACD, plus we see a general down trade. Notice how the high on the chart are getting lower. This is a strong confirmation of the signal, and the price is likely to keep falling. Okay, as I predicted, sellers dominate the market and these trades take time, so I will speed up the video to save you from waiting for the outcomes. Guys, what a beautiful trade. Our balance is now $272. Just 2 trades on this part of the market yield fantastic results, and I think I will stop once the balance hits around $1,000. Okay, another great trade for a down position, this time with $272. Quick analysis, the envelope's boundary has been breached and MACD confirms with a signal and a renewed trend momentum. The signal lines have also crossed the zero line, making the signal even stronger. So we also see a similar pattern of declining highs on the chart. Okay, another excellent trade, $523 on the balance. That's already 10 times our starting $50. One more trade and we can call it a day. Wrapping it up with an up position using the full $523. And done. The situation is exactly the same. Envelopes, branch, and confirmation by MACD. 1, 2, and we have got ourselves a perfect trade, guys. So see you in a minute. Guys, $1,005. I did it. Turned $50 into $1,005, 20 times the original deposit. What a fantastic result. Yes, it was risky, but you have seen all the trades with your own eyes. $1,005 now in the balance, and the entire amount in the safe account remains untouched. What a great session. Keep in mind, this was a very risky deposit boosting. For everyday trading, always stick to proper money management. So if you want to receive high quality signals and grow your balance, or if you're just curious about my trading lifestyle, join my Telegram channel. So thank you for watching this video. Leave your thoughts or questions in the description. I will try to reply to everyone. See you next time.